Today I'm doing a review on this JETSHINE Squeegee. This Squeegee was gifted to me in exchange for my review. Let's get it open. And this other part just snaps also. Great about this Squeegee is that it has the rubberized that is very, very thick. It's going to be able to clean off the window very, very well. Now on the cushion part, the scrubby part, you can tell that the mesh covering is really going to get into the spots that we need and really clean it off. It itself does rotate 360 degrees. Now there are 5 adjustable angles. I'm going to really like the fact that this does extend this window clean. It's hard to get out here, and when I have to pull out the ladder and everything, it's so time consuming. This is going to make my job cleaning my windows very easily. Pulling that water right down off of the window itself. Doing such a great job. You just get your sponge part wet and you scrub your window with it. And then you take the squeegee side and you can tell how well that it does get the water off. It will leave no streaks. Now the squeegee can be used for many different things. Windows, your car, you could use it on the tile, you could just use it everywhere. All in all, I think this is a great squeegee and I suggest it.